In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find templates on Capcut without using TikTok, specifically when you're working on an iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just exploring the world of video editing, Capcut offers a fantastic way to integrate creative templates into your projects, and you can do all this without managing another app like TikTok. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin, you'll want to open the Capcut app on your iPhone. Capcut is a versatile and user-friendly application that's packed with features, and opening the app is your first step into a world of creative possibilities. Once you're in, focus your attention on the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find several tabs, but what you're interested in today is the Template tab. Go ahead and tap on it. This section houses a variety of templates designed to enhance your video projects with ease. Now you're in the template section, and there are two main ways to navigate it. You can either browse through the available templates to see what piques your interest, or if you have something specific in mind, utilize the search bar. This search function is incredibly useful if you have an idea of what you're looking for, or if you need something specific for your current project. Take your time to explore. Capcut has a rich library of templates covering a wide range of styles and themes. Once you find a template that catches your eye, tap on it to preview. This preview gives you an idea of how the template functions and what you can expect when you apply it to your clips. It's an excellent way to visualize your final product before making any decisions. If it fits your needs, you're ready to move on. The next step is to tap the Use Template button. This option allows you to apply the template to your clips. It's straightforward and intuitive. You can seamlessly integrate your own video footage into these professionally designed templates, making the editing process both fun and efficient. Remember, using these templates can save you time and still give you a polished and captivating result. And here's the best part, there's no need to log into TikTok to use these templates. That means you don't have to worry about setting up additional accounts or dealing with any potential privacy concerns linked to syncing with another app. Capcut provides a standalone solution to enhance your videos with templates. So there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to finding and using templates on Capcut without needing TikTok right from your iPhone. Hopefully this opens up new creative avenues for your projects. Enjoy exploring the app and happy editing.